We are creating a complete Laravel student management system by the Laravel 13 version. So starting our command system, just click here. So in our commander need to go here. So put the command. So our application is creating now Laravel 13 version. So everything is downloading now. So we are following Laravel. Go to the folder, then click the install process, the npm install npm and also the Laravel follow permission, manual permission, then migrate it. So also click here. We need to student model role and role permission header. So in the student model here we need to put name, email, class, section, job address and photo. So it will update model, then so user update model name, email, password, sim. So student model, the fillable data we have put here. So role permissions header we have to put user create this, then run the command. So on by what we will do. So just wait, almost completed. Our second command is go to the project. So we need to wait here. So installation is done. So go the our student management application. So click here. Sorry. Click this paste. No command. Please namespace. So page is not getting. So I will put here. No command to this namespace. There is not getting the this namespace command. So we are searching this here. Solution is this. Same issue. So one issue is not printing. So you are following now. Firstly, you have to install the bridge, require bridge dev. Then we are focusing this. Then we need to install npm run. So this command. So after installing, we have to install npm now. So need to wait here when it is completed. Okay, done. So transforming the white. Okay, now npm run it. Okay, fine. CSS. Come here. So I have completed now. So click the dark light mode. So light dark mode. So this is the dashboard, this is the student, and this is the user. So I am adding the student now. So student, when you register, so register automatically as a teacher. So this is the student full name, email. Sorry, and gmail.com. So this is the password also. Create account. So after this created URL, teacher automatically add admin. We have set up this register as admin, so admin can showing this is the student and this is the admin. We can separate it. So as now is the super admin. So we have updated this. Admin can update super admin. You are also super admin. Can edit here as a admin or teacher. We can update this as a this is the admin panel. So student showing as a student. So click here. Okay. yahoo.com আমরা একটা ছবি দিচ্ছি so after updating the ছবি same ছবি same pixel also so click here student sorry so roughly 2 times edit so you can edit or you can delete also so user is working fine so this is the dashboard everything was working fine so now you can update the relationship with the student or teacher so this student I can manage this student and role management this role management this role so you can update here also so we can edit the relationship so easily handle this here so everything is working fine so dark mode and light mode everything is working here also the we have created the register and login sorry register and login also look so this is our home page so better look also showing the dashboard here click the dashboard and showing the dashboard student or teacher everything is working fine so you can use this thank you